The health benefits of turmeric and how to use this for weight loss. 1. Turmeric is a perennial plant native to southern Asia. This plant is part of the ginger family, which is why it looks very similar to ginger root. 2. It has been used in Indian and Pakistani cuisine for a very long time and has some wonderful health benefits. 3. Curcumin is contained within turmeric. This is a powerful antioxidant compound which promotes healthy cells in the body. 4. In order to lose weight, you should consume turmeric on a daily basis. You can make a weight loss drink by adding half teaspoon of a ground turmeric powder to a pan with 500 ml of water. Be sure to also add 6 peppercorns. Bring to the boil and allow this to simmer for 5 minutes. 5. Drink this on an empty stomach in the morning to quick-start your metabolism before you eat any food. 6. It is very important that you include the peppercorns as these cause the body to absorb the curcumin much more efficiently. 7. You can also add a little honey to this and cinnamon for a better flavor. 8. This will cause the digestion process of the body to speed up, breaking down your foods better and also promoting a healthier immune system. 9. Turmeric prevents blood clotting the same way as peene and brufen do. However, turmeric is a natural treatment and prevents any risk and side effect that you can get from using medical drugs. 10. Naturally anti-inflammatory, this tea reduces swelling and pain in the tissue and muscles all over the body. This allows the immune system to function at its best and prevent infection and invaders. 11. It has been used for birth control in the past, so do not use this when pregnant or trying for a baby. 12. Turmeric has also been shown to be a natural antidepressant which works better than Prozac. 13. This drink can also be effective for cancer patients in helping to speed their recovery. The turmeric powder has been medically shown to destroy bowel cancer cells and block the formation of enzymes which cause cancer. 14. Turmeric used regularly will also help those suffering with diabetes. It can aid in treating hyperglycemia and insulin resistance. 15. Be sure to consult a doctor before using turmeric if you are using any medications and anticoagulant. 16. If you prefer, you can buy turmeric supplements in pill form. If you do this, I recommend eating 1 to 2 peppercorns with the dose to increase the absorption of curcumin. 17. Turmeric can also be used to whiten the teeth. Please, thanks for watching.